Now sigma x2 bar square is written as E x2 square, sorry, sigma x2 bar square is equal to E x2 bar square minus E x2 bar whole square. This we know, this we all know. So our primary task is to compute E x2 bar square. Now what is x2 bar? x2 bar is the average sample mean of SRS WOR without replacement, isn't it so? So this is the sample case, and we just put the definition of x2 bar. The definition of x2 bar is this: j runs from 1 to small n, and this is whole square. This is x2 bar, so whole square. So whenever we do this whole square, this is 1 by n square, and this is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus dot 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 x small n whole square, isn't it so? Now similarly 1 by n square comes out of the expectation, and we have in the inside x1 square plus x2 square plus dot dot j runs from 1 to n, isn't it so? Plus 2ab term. What is 2ab term? Again that kl, k not equal to l, xk xl, and that is all. And since expectation runs through the summation, we can easily write 1 by n square summation of expectation xj square plus here also 2 by n square, and we have summation of expectation of xk xl. Okay, clear up to this point? Oh, clear up to this point? Now we will have to play the trick of, sorry, I will have to balance the camera. Now another trick, we will have to replace this with expectation of xk minus m into xl minus m, which we have earlier calculated. So what is the difference between expectation of xk minus m, xl minus m? We can easily write first k not equal to m and both runs from 1 to n. So we can write it as like this: xk xl minus mxl minus mxk plus m square, and we can easily satisfy ourselves that when m, this m comes out of the summation sign, you can keep both the summation here. Both the summation actually takes place in this term. In this term only one summation takes part, and we can easily apprehend that. Let us write it like this: summation m square. Now what is this? Minus m square into n. This is also minus m square into n, and this is plus m square n. So we can write it as minus m square into n or capital N, whatever you write. In case of sample, we have small n, because this k and l runs from 1 to small n only, isn't it so?